What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to. But man, today's video has been a long time coming. As you can see, the white truck's back there. It's the first time you guys are gonna get to see it. So you know, for all you guys that have been following along, watching the process for the last, I don't know, 6 months or so, thank you. And thank you guys to all, you know, every one of you guys that watches all my videos. I really appreciate it. But if you're new here, I'm kind of gonna go through the steps on what happened to my truck. It got wrecked, and so we decided to make it, you know, look a little better. But I actually ended up finding some old drone footage from when I first got my drone, and it kind of shows the truck before it got wrecked even, so I'm gonna throw that in there. But I put a little edit together, and I'm not gonna lie, it's long. It's like 10 minutes long of just straight up just like music and video. But I'm just so pumped with how the truck looks and how good some of these drone shots. It's my first time flying the drone, really, and I got some pretty cool shots, and I just couldn't throw any of the clips away. So it's long, but you know what? I don't really care because I love the way the truck looks. I'm pumped that it's done, and I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So it's done for now. Obviously, there's always more. We'll go over that after this clip, but check it out. So I hope you guys thought it looked pretty cool, but either way, I think it looks pretty cool. But like I said, you know, I'm done for now, but you know, never all the way done. But obviously, I got to do something with the emblems. I didn't really feel like just running color match forward emblems. I kind of wanted to have some custom cut emblems or something made. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do there. I may end up just painting some forward emblems to throw it on there, just so it looks complete, and then do something different, or who knows, I may just put forward emblems on and call it good, never do anything with it. Also, suspension wise, as you can see, it's just looking pretty gross and just standard under there. I do have kind of the start to like a cradle 4-link, and I'm kicking around the idea of you know, full 4-linking it, bagging it, painting everything. But if any of you guys have done that or seen someone do that, you would know that's like, you know, another solid month's worth of work, or especially my schedule. But you know, just that's really labor intensive, and I have so many other projects. If you're new here, you don't know my projects, subscribe, you'll see those. And if you do know, you know, we go pretty hard around here, lots of different types of stuff. But I'd like to you know, 4-link it, paint everything, but I also may just be happy with the way it is and just keep using this thing as a truck and just cruising it. Also maybe some new wheels, I don't know. I got 24x16's now, but you know, everyone's going bigger, so if I link it, maybe I'll put different wheels on it, or maybe I'll rock the same wheels, I don't know. It's kind of one of those things. So who knows, stick around and maybe you'll see if this thing does get some more changes and makes it look better or what. But overall, just super happy to get this video done and get it out to you guys. And leave a comment if you think it looks cool, or if you liked any of the drone shots. Hit that like, maybe rewatch the whole video through, that really helps. It's up to you. And subscribe if you're not already, I really appreciate it. So we'll see you guys on the next one.